Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna open posca markers. They're paint markers. So let's get to opening it. So we got 41, I think. Okay. They're paint markers. So these are like some special colors. And then these are boxes that have the markers inside. So this is the first one. It's a classic box. All the colors. Ooh la la. Okay, that's nice. I really like coloring, so that's why I got these. And this also has some colors. And I like blending too. Oh, let's go. Colors. So yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. I'm gonna line all of these up, see, and oh wait, what is? Oh, that's a cap. Okay, time for these colors. The regular, natural, environment colors. They're like brighter colors of the rainbow. And a lot of pros use these. And as I saw on YouTube, they're very good. So yeah, those are posca markers. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell. Bye.